Well, stormwater in New Zealand is it's not unique, but it's fairly particular to New Zealand in that we have an interesting combination of climate and the way in which the country's been developed, urban centres and lots of rural space. And so we're at a position where a lot of our urban pollution is coming through the stormwater route, and a lot of our problems with our wastewater networks are coming through the way that stormwater systems have been developed over time. And we're really at a point where we have to start thinking increasingly about how we manage stormwater right from the point of design and planning through to the point where we're actually building things and then delivering infrastructure. It seems a really obvious thing to say in the current situation, but although we're talking a lot about three waters at the minute, there is in fact of course only one water, and everything's connected: wastewater, stormwater, groundwater, drinking water, rainwater, marine water. They're all connected together in the water cycle. And so the obvious solution for us is to increasingly think about that and think about one water and how we manage things rather than three distinct waters. And if you take that in the context of stormwater, what it means is we have to think right back at the point of planning about how we change things. So if you look across here, look at all these hard surfaces on the roofs. Look at all the hard surfaces that stormwater lands on and ends up washing it into the harbour directly. We need to get right back to the beginning of the way we think about planning our cities and our urban areas, and think about the way in which we can embed stormwater management and the values that come with our management of water into design and planning, so that by the time we get to delivery, we're no longer just dealing with an end of pipe problem or something that has to be got rid of. We've got stormwater as a valuable resource, we're managing it in an integrated way with our other waters, and we're actually really living up to what we've said we're going to do in terms of embedding the values of Te Ao Māori, Te Mano o Te Wai, and really just as a society and a civilization, making more of the water that we've got.